Do you know who are the Olympian gods and goddesses? Now I will introduce to you the gods and goddesses of ancient Greece. In Greek mythology, 12 gods and goddesses ruled the universe from atop Greece, Mount Olympus. These Olympians had come to power after their leader Zeus overthrew his father Cronos, leader of the Titans. All the Olympians are related to one another. The Romans adopted most of these Greek gods and goddesses, but with new names. Now let us know where was the dwelling place of these gods and goddesses. Mount Olympus. Mount Olympus was the home or the dwelling place of the gods. This finally came to be thought of as a floating mountain in the sky. Now let us know the gods and goddesses of ancient Greece. Zeus. His Roman name is Jupiter. Zeus is the supreme ruler of the gods. His weapon was the mighty thunderbolt. The most powerful of all, Zeus was god of the sky and the king of Olympus. His temper affected the weather, and he threw thunderbolts when he was unhappy. He was married to Hera, but had many other lovers. His symbols include the oak and the thunderbolt. Hera. Her Roman name is Juno. Hera is Zeus' wife and sister. She is the protector of marriage and married women. She is very jealous of Zeus' numerous lovers. Hera is the queen of Olympus. She was Zeus' wife and sister. Many myths tell of how she sought revenge when Zeus betrayed her with his lovers. Her symbols include the peacock and the cow. Hades. His Roman name is Pluto. Hades is the lord of the underworld. He is the ruler of the dead. Hades was the brother of Zeus and the husband of Persephone, Demeter's daughter whom he kidnapped. Poseidon. His Roman name is Neptune. Poseidon is the ruler of the seas and oceans. He was the most powerful god except for his brother Zeus. He lived in a beautiful palace under the sea and caused earthquakes when he was in a temper. His symbols include the horse and the trident. Aphrodite. Her Roman name is Venus. Aphrodite is the goddess of love and beauty. She is the wife of Hephaestus. Aphrodite is also the protector of sailors. She may have been the daughter of Zeus and the Titan Dion, or she may have risen from the sea on a shell. Her symbols include the myrtle tree and the dove. Hestia. Her Roman name is Vesta. Hestia is the goddess of home. Hestia was the goddess of hearth, a fireplace at the center of the home. She was the most gentle of the gods and does not play a role in many myths. Hestia was the sister of Zeus and the oldest of the Olympians. Fire is among her symbols. Now let us know Zeus' children. Ares. His Roman name is Mars. Ares was both cruel and a coward. Ares was the son of Zeus and Hera, but neither of his parents liked him. His symbols include the vulture and the dog, and he often carried a bloody spear. So he is the god of war, and none of the other gods like him much. Athena. Her Roman name is Minerva. Athena is the battle maiden and goddess of wisdom. She is the daughter of Zeus, who sprung from his head. Athena was also skilled in the art of war and helped heroes such as Odysseus and Hercules. Athena sprang full-grown from the forehead of Zeus and became his favorite child. Her symbols include the owl and the olive tree. Hephaestus. His Roman name is Vulcan. Hephaestus is the god of fire in the forge. He is the husband of Aphrodite. Hephaestus, although he made armored weapons for the gods, he loved peace. He was the son of Zeus and Hera and married Aphrodite. His symbols include the anvil and the forge. Apollo. His Roman name is also Apollo. He is the twin brother of Artemis. He is the god of light and truth and music. Apollo was also an archer and hunted with a silver bow. Apollo was the son of Zeus and the Titan Leto and the twin of Artemis. His symbols include the laurel tree, the crow, and the dolphin. Artemis. Her Roman name is Diana. Artemis is the sweet twin sister of Apollo. She is the goddess of moon and the hunt. Artemis was also the protector of women in childbirth. She hunted with silver arrows and loved all wild animals. Artemis was the daughter of Zeus and Leto and the twin of Apollo. Her symbols include the cypress tree and the deer. Hermes. His Roman name is Mercury. Hermes is the messenger of the gods. He was a trickster and a friend to thieves. He was said to have invented boxing and gymnastics. He was the son of Zeus in the constellation Maia. The speediest of all, he wore winged sandals and a winged hat and carried a magic wand. Thank you for watching.